What's up today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be opening up these little things here. Got a mini-verse, plant version of kind of like the mini brands, and a little pet one. Fable. There it is. A little pet one. I've never seen these, but I thought it was cute, so I wanted to see what it was. I also got this little adorable little figures. I don't even know if I can say the word because I don't want to be copyrighted. Anyways, let's open the plant one first. So you can see it comes with, where does it show what it comes with? It says it comes with water, a little vase, the plant. I think this one, that's just what it comes with. But I've seen other ones that have like dirt, like inside, I don't know. It looks really cool. So let's open this one first. Just got my scissors. Let's open here. Also, don't mind the nails. I really need to get them done. I don't like having my nails like this. But yeah, these are my natural nails. They're getting really long. Anyways. I swear I always have to struggle to open these. Ooh. Kind of reminds me of like a coconut. Question is already opening. Oh, it opens from the bottom too. Okay, so this is what. Okay, so. I don't know about these. Some of them say set it, like it has resin. I don't know, I guess you'll see. So let's open this up first. I don't know what this is. So thank you. Is just up the road. Okay, so I see some little tweezers. And I don't know what the heck this is. Wow. Next. This is cool. Have a sunny day. This is cool. Oh, the water. This is the resin. It is resin. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. And I guess this is the vase. Comes with a little zacate. Yeah, here's a little vase. It's cute. So I'm assuming you pour the resin in here. And then I guess this is my plant. Sunny bones. This one is a little more complicated than I thought. This one I saw had like kinetic sand as the dirt, and then like the pot and stuff like that. I don't know, but the little plant's cute. I don't know how I'm gonna set this up, honestly. Okay, well, I guess we'll try to figure that one out. Let's just open this one. Hopefully it's not like that one. Let's see. That was a lot easier to open. Jeez. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. It's a little panda. And it's got a little bottle in it. Oh, it's like one of those little magic wands that you like tip it and it appears. What the heck? It's so cool. This is so cute. just comes with the little buttons. Oh, and it comes with the little sticker. So cute. I like these ones more. I'm really sad about the plant one though. I really thought it was gonna be better. But yeah, here's another look. So cute. Oh my gosh. Love it. Okay, and now for the adorable little figures. It says you can get 2 or 3. So let's go for 3. What the heck? What did I get? What did I get? Okay, so it looks like I got 2. Where's the other one? 2. Oh, it's the little grandma lady, the witch lady from the, oh my god, what's it called? Tiana, the Tiana one. Princess and the Frog, duh. But yeah, that's cool. Mama Ori, that's what it was. I got Mama Ori. It took me forever to remember that. And now, let's see what else we got. Oh, it's the flame. I think it's from Elementals. Let's see. I've never seen that movie. Here's the little book. Yeah, Elemental. I got the little flame one. It's Ember Lumen. Alright. Cool. Oh yeah, so here's Mama Ori. And the little flame that I just forgot her name. And the little panda. I love this little panda. It's so cute. Look at those eyes. Wow. And the plant. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess it just says pour the resin in here. Let me try this. So you just open this. Yes. I'm trying to show you guys too, but like, it's very difficult to do. But it is coming out. I just can't squeeze it. Ugh. So let's see. Get the little plant. Put it in there. Oh. Okay, I think it's just gonna have to be like this. I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna leave it like this and hope that sets. It says to leave it in daylight, so I'm just gonna put it by the window. Okay, so it says let it sit for 5 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it a couple hours to see if it sets. I've never worked with resin, so I don't know. But yeah, I guess that's the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!